Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the advantages or the benefits of quality management. I'm going to be using pictures mostly to describe and explain each one of these. So the first one is about our customers and customer loyalty. Effective customer services are rendered or given, resulting in an increased customer satisfaction and thereby creating more customers continually coming back to you. Products and services are constantly being improved, resulting in increased levels of customer satisfaction. The next point we can think of is that of time. Our time and our resources are used far more effectively when we have a proper quality management system in place. Thirdly, it's important to understand that the vision, the mission, and the business goals may be achieved if we have proper quality management in place. The next point we're going to look at is that of our competitors. A business has a far more better competitive advantage over its competitors if it has a good quality management system in place. If training happens with your staff the whole time, they will continuously improve the quality of their skills and thereby their performance. Moving on to the next slide now. If you have a positive and happy workspace, your employers and employees will have a healthy working relationship, resulting in happy and productive workforce. If you avoid making mistakes and you have far less defects or returns, this improves the business's image overall, and this is as a result of having a good quality management system. My suggestion is that you learn 5 of these and you learn them well, because often this question is out of 10 marks. All the best!